Good morning, trader. So still in the funny glasses stage. Anyhow, on PayPal, I'm going to look to go ahead and roll this put out. So remember, this is part of the wheel strategy. So I sold the put here and I sold that initial put down at 67.50. Let me turn on my painting here. So I sold that down at the 67.50. That's now fully depleted. Basically, there's only 6 cents of extrinsic value left in it. And then I also sold this call spread at one point when PayPal was running up, and I was expecting that it was not really going to go much higher. Of course, that's this part of the option trade over here. So I now am going to go ahead, close out all of this, and I'm going to roll out, and I tend to roll out usually about 45 days or so. And then within 21, 14 days, 7 days.
So what leveled up my trading skills fast? It wasn't just a course. It was sitting beside real traders, watching them work live. And now I want to give you that same edge. This is options trading for income, not day trading. I only take action 2 to 3 times per week, almost always in the last 90 minutes of the markets. So it's designed to fit your schedule. Every trade alert is a video breakdown where I walk you through the exact logic behind each entry, adjustment, and exit. And you'll also get direct access to me for any questions. I have 3 to 5 trades running at any time, and every trade is designed to be scaled. So whether you're trading a $5,000 account or a 7-figure portfolio, you're covered. You'll also unlock a huge video library of hundreds of closed trades to learn from at your own pace, all with corresponding videos. Just go to the URL on the screen or scan the QR code on the screen to see more. You get full access, can cancel at any time, all for less than your daily cup of coffee. It's time to start learning faster.
In this case, I'll roll it again. So what price do I want to roll it to? So let's take a look at a chart on PayPal. And when I take a look, I can see that we did pull all the way back here before, just a little below 70. I don't know that I'm thinking that's going to happen again. I think a realistic price range is probably in that 71, 72. That gives me room for a pullback, but it also gives me some fairly decent premium at that point. At that 71, 72 range, I'm looking at $2.50 to almost $3 in premium. So I'll do this in 2 separate steps. First thing I'm going to do is I'll just close out this call spread. And I do want to go ahead and get fills on this, just get this done. So, I will pay up slightly if I have to. I don't think I'll have to. Bid-ask spread is pretty tight on that. So I'm going to go out here at the 28 and just see if I can close that. And I suspect, again, that should fill pretty quickly. I'll just leave that order set there for right now. Oh, all right, it filled like I thought. Okay, so now I want to roll that naked put. And again, I'm going to roll that out into that 71 or 72 range. And when I do that, I'm basically pocketing all of the extrinsic value that's stripped out of this. That's at $1.22. Now I need to reset here where I was going out to. And again, I was going out to the end of August there, about 45 days or slightly over. Going to buy this one back. And then I decided that the 71 or 72, 71 seems pretty well priced there. So let's just sell that one. So this is going to be a roll. So I'm buying this one back and then selling this one. And so let's just see what that order looks like. 262 in credit. That seems reasonable. And 261 somewhere in there. I should fill on. Now we're down to 260. I do want to get a fill on this. So I'll just go with that 260. I'm not going to quibble over a couple of pennies there. And place that order. I suspect that should fill pretty rapidly. And yes, insta-fill. So let's just take a look now. I'll snap a screenshot of the final position after that adjustment. I can now close up the other channel here because we have both of our panels, we only need the one panel at this stage. And again, this trade is up nicely. And if it decays in this range again, I'll be up about $400 total in premium I will have collected. And each dollar in premium essentially lowers my cost basis by $1 once I finally get assigned. The wheel continues to roll.